It's a lot that happens when that eviction is showing up on your record, or even worse, just a collection. If it's a collection, it's saying you owe this apartment building, red flag, denial in most cases. Back in the day, we could charge a higher deposit. Okay, well, I'm just going to charge you a higher deposit. Well, the beautiful state of California, they said we can't charge more than 1 month's rent of deposit. So that got taken away. So now a lot of people have higher credit standards because we can't charge a higher deposit. I think some of this stuff's supposed to protect the tenant, but it really doesn't, because on a landlord perspective, and for my landlord, we looking like, well, I'm just going to have higher credit standards if I can't charge a higher deposit. Before, we at least would try to work with the person and help them. But if you got bad credit, that's messing up your ability, and that higher deposit used to help you. When you're screening an applicant with an eviction, look at income stability, time that has passed since that eviction been put on their record, whether the balance was resolved, current rental references. Every situation is different. So for my landlords, you give them a chance. See what happens. That don't mean they're a bad person because they have eviction on their record. So give them a chance. Some landlords will give you a chance. And then some of the bigger corporations and companies, it's sometimes a little bit harder for that, because we have certain policies and rules and things we have to go by where it's just an automatic denied, especially if it's showing up on your record. I just want to put a disclaimer, and I'm going to kind of repeat it a couple of times. I am not an attorney. I am not an attorney, so I'm not giving any legal advice. I'm just sharing with you education, things that I've learned in my 25 years in this business and doing it. So I don't want no one to get confused. This series is going to be called Life, Leases, and Law.